Now, we are going to do a short exercise. You are given a positive and you have to fill in with the correct form of comparative of superlative degree of adjectives. That's what we are going to do. Fill in. Fill in with the proper fill in with the proper form. Okay? From a what? Comparative or superlative. Adjectives. And that's what we are going to do now. Okay? We are going to fill in with proper form, that is comparative, superlative adjectives. You are given one and you're going to fill in correctly. So the first we have here, which is the which is the dash of the two. Dash of the two, and the word given is good. And you must write the correct word there. Which is the dash of the two. Second one. Which is the dash mountain in the world. Mountain in the world. And the word in the world, and the word given is high. Next. This is the dash flower. Flower I have ever seen. I have ever seen, and you have the word pretty. Next we have this is the dash plan of the two. Of the two, and wise is the word given. He is dash than his sister. And the word given is old. Next one. He is the dash boy in the class. And the word given is lazy. Next, Sheila. Sheila is the dash singer. In our school. In our school. And the word given is good. What? What is the dash? News. News from Germany. From Germany, late. The word given is late. Ninth one. What is the dash prize? You can take, and the word given is little. And one more sentence we'll do. The 10th sentence is iron is than any other metal. And the word given is useful. So I have 10 sentences here, and what we are going to do now is, we are given positive, we must either write comparative or superlative degree looking at that. Now, we are given the word good. Now, what are the degrees of comparison for this? Good, better, best. Okay. Which is the dash of the two? Which is the best of the two? Okay. Or which is the better of the two? The correct is, which is the better of the two? Which is the better? Which is the better of the two? Next, high, higher, highest. Which is the highest mountain? Okay? Which is the highest mountain in the world? Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Let's see. This is the prettiest flower I have ever seen. Prettiest. This is the prettiest flower I have ever seen. You're given wise, wiser, wisest. This is the wise. This is the, what will you say? Wisest plan of the two. This is the wiser plan. That will be better. This is the wiser plan of the two. Then, old, older, oldest. He is, you won't say old, you will say he is older than his sister. Old, older, correct. He is older than his sister. Lazy, lazier. He is the laziest boy in the class. He is the laziest. He is the laziest boy in the class. Good, better, best. Sheila is the best singer. Sheila is the best singer in our school. Late, later, latest. What is the latest news from Germany? What is the latest? What is the latest news? Latest news from Germany? What is the dash price you can take? What is the least price? What is the least price you can take? And finally, useful. More useful, most useful. Iron is more useful than any other metal. So let's look at it once again. Which is better? Of the two, which is the highest mountain? This is the prettiest flower I have ever seen. This is the wiser plan of the two. Good. He is older than his sister. He is the laziest boy in the class. He is the laziest boy. Sheila is the best. Is the best singer in our school. Which is the latest news from Germany? What is the latest news from Germany? What is the least price you can take? And what is the least? What is the least price you can take? And finally, iron is more useful than any other metal.